I don't need no stinking driveway. This is America, which means my garage is full of stuff, which means the car will never fit in there. So why should I maintain a path for the car to go in there? Let's put that space to good use. Here's an orange tree, last survivor of the great ice age of February 2021. Normally makes fantastic oranges, but the squirrels ate them all. So now we're going to eat the squirrels. Yeah, that's right. And we've got chilies here, Texas bird peppers. Scramble a couple of these into your eggs in the morning. That'll burn the hair right out of your nose. Let's see. This is supposed to be yellow daylilies. The blooms are edible. Get them before they open. Either stir fry them a little bit or throw them into a salad. And my wife wonders why this plant never blooms. Got purple verbena and some yellow lantana to add a little bit of color and to protect my apple pie tree. I don't know of a single other apple tree in all of Houston, so I'm going to treat this one well and see if we can get it to grow some apples. Oregano, really good for Italian food night. Portulaca comes in a lot of different shapes and flavors and what have you. You can make a cucumber salad out of it, but it's a little slimy, so I think I'm just going to let it grow and look nice. And then I've got a plumbago here, which is kind of going crazy. Can't actually eat it, but my wife said if I move it, I will regret it. So there it is. My driveway space repurposed to be useful.